All right, so in this video, we're gonna show you how to do an extruded cut. So once again, if you wanna do like a cut, I will go and okay, and since we're done with this one, we're gonna save it again, just to continue with our how we doing. So this will be make extrude. That's what or made extrude, right? That's what we did. We made an extrude and press OK. And this will be tutorial 1B3. There we go. All right, so I'll show you in the next video how to do an extruded cut. All right, so in this video, we're gonna do an extruded cut. We're still gonna be using the extrude, but we first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a sketch again. So we're gonna make a sketch, and you can see we have the same planes. We can make our sketch in the different planes, or you can do it in the face of the already um, made part. Right, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a sketch on the top surface, top face of this box that we made. So click there, and I'm going to make a circle. So there's two things. So I can make a circle just anywhere and then dimension it, right? Or if you can see, if I hover the sides, there's some areas where it snaps and it shows you the center point. So for this one, I will use the center point. So if I come to the side, make sure that that appears. And you can see if I move my mouse slowly across, you see this little blue line that's dashed, being formed. And then one go to the middle, it shows me two blue lines, and that's basically the center points of each edge, meaning that this is the center point of the whole part of the whole face. So then I will move my mouse. Once again, I can just type the dimension that I want. I can just drag it. In this case, I'll just stop here, press enter, and I will modify this. This is the diameter, and let's say I want this to be 1 inch diameter. There we go. So I'm going to finish the sketch. Just click, and then now pressing this circle, I'm going to press extrude again. And then I will, uh, you can see that if I want to make this like another shape, I can just go up and it makes, let's press OK. Uh, it makes this other body, but I don't want that. So I want to press Control Z to delete. I'll press here again, press extrude, and I'm go. You see, if I go down, now it looks red. And notice how the operation on this side now changes, and it says uh, cut. The other one said joint. You're making two parts, two extrudes together. You can do joint, and they both extrudes become one body, one part. But here in this case, we're doing cut, so it's gonna cut into our parts. So you use the same thing for extrude. So in this case, you can see I can have my cut go maybe up to the surface, up to some part, or I can do all the way through if I stretch it across. All right, so it's up to you. So we in this case for me, I wanna make the hole all the way across. You can also taper, like we said, so it goes into like a different shape. So it will look kind of weird. Depends how you if you play with some of the values around. Makes it to like a little cone and so, but once again, we don't want taper. So just a whole cylinder cut. So 0 degrees for taper, and then okay. And that is our extrude. You can see how it goes through both sides. So once again, go to home, and like this. Let's say we want to modify. I'll show you that in the next video. So then let's just save this as made extruded cut.